Hey guys! In this video I am gonna show you how to play PS2 games on your laptop or PC. Let's start the video without wasting your time. First open Google Chrome. Search here. Click on this link. Scroll down and click Start Download. The setup file is now downloading. Now go to your download directory. Open the setup file. Now click on Normal Installation. Click Next. Select the checkbox you want. And Next. Here you can select your installation directory. And Next. The installation setup is completed. Click on Finish. Now here in PCSX2 First Time Configuration, choose your language. And click Next. Now click on Import. Click on Next. And if this problem occurs, then click on OK. Then change this. And click Next. Here you need PS2 BIOS. Let's go to get the BIOS file. Open Google Chrome. And search here. Click on this link. Scroll down. Click on Download. Then click on Free Download. Wait until the ad is finished. Then close the ad. Here, download the BIOS file for your operating system. Select your operating system and download. I download this for my operating system. Scroll down. Click on Download. Then click on Free Download. Skip the ad. The BIOS file is now downloading. After the download is complete, close Google Chrome and open your download directory. Right-click on it and click on Extract to. Open this folder. Select all and copy. Go to Documents. Open PCSX2 folder. Open BIOS folder and paste here. Now close this. Refresh list. Click on Finish. Now PCSX2 emulator is successfully installed. Close the program log. Now select any PS2 game you have. I have God of War 2. Click on Boot ISO Fast. The game is successfully running. Like, share, and subscribe.
Kratos, the once mortal warrior, became the new god of war. However, Kratos soon found himself alone on Olympus, shunned by his fellow gods.